Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing advanced oil processing equipment, tailored specifically for businesses involved in animal fat rendering and refining. Their product range includes state-of-the-art pressing machines, refining systems, and fully automated production lines, all engineered to maximize yield while ensuring minimal waste. The company's commitment to innovation ensures that their machinery incorporates the latest technology. One of the standout features of Henan Zhongrui Machinery is its focus on customization. Recognizing that each client may have unique requirements, the company offers bespoke solutions that cater to specific operational needs. Whether you're a small-scale processor or a large industrial operation, in addition to superior products, Henan Zhongrui Machinery also provides comprehensive after-sales services, ensuring that customers receive ongoing support and maintenance. This dedication to customer satisfaction has helped to build long-term partnerships with clients across the globe. If you're looking for a trustworthy partner in Fox oil processing machinery, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited is undoubtedly an excellent choice. Their combination of cutting-edge technology, personalized service,